Veamos juntos este video. Ay, mamás.
I can't get the head out.
Quad! 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 Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh my god! What the hell? It's not this bathroom! You stupid This is the other bathroom!
Ay, Dios. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Look at your head. Okay, get out.
No, yeah, he's come out to kill me.
Ay.
Caitlin, back at it again with the chickens!
What the?
Whoa!
Oh my god. Go, 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 go.
You didn't even come close. Il est tombé.
Oh, go ahead, McGinn, that's me. I couldn't.
Daddy.
Good job. Super effective.
Stop! Pull out and stop using gloves! Not those gloves! Not those